Ladies and gentlemen, today, we're embarking on a thrilling virtual journey to explore the enigmatic country of Turkey. Get ready to uncover unknown and fascinating facts about this captivating land. So, let's dive right into this cultural expedition together. Did you know that Turkey is a land of remarkable geographical diversity? Nestled between two continents, Europe and Asia, Turkey boasts a unique blend of landscapes that range from majestic mountains to stunning coastlines. But here's the surprise: Turkey is also home to an otherworldly underground city known as Derinkuyu. This ancient subterranean marvel, hidden beneath the Cappadocia region, once housed thousands of people, complete with living spaces, churches, and even ventilation systems. Talk about a hidden gem! Now, brace yourselves for an astonishing revelation. Turkish cuisine is not only renowned for its mouthwatering flavors but also for its historical significance. Did you know that many of the world's most popular foods have their origins in Turkish cuisine? That's right. From delectable kebabs and savory baklava to aromatic Turkish tea and Turkish delight, these culinary delights have spread far and wide, captivating taste buds worldwide. So, the next time you savor a delicious shawarma or indulge in a sweet bite of baklava, remember the Turkish culinary heritage behind these iconic dishes. Let's take a moment to appreciate the vibrant tapestry of Turkish traditions. Turkey is a country steeped in ancient customs and rituals, and one fascinating tradition that stands out is the whirling dervishes. These mesmerizing performers are part of the Sufi order, known as the Mevlevi, and they engage in a spiritual practice known as sema. During this mystical ceremony, the dervishes spin in a trance-like state, symbolizing their journey to spiritual enlightenment. The captivating sight of their flowing white robes and whirling movements is truly a sight to behold. Now, let's shift our focus to Turkey's architectural marvels. While most people associate Turkey with the iconic Hagia Sophia or the grandeur of the Blue Mosque, there's an architectural treasure hidden beneath the surface. Beneath the city of Istanbul lies an ancient Byzantine cistern called the Basilica Cistern, also known as the Sunken Palace. This breathtaking underground reservoir, featuring rows of towering columns and mystical lighting, creates an ethereal atmosphere that transports visitors to a different era. It's a mesmerizing testament to Turkey's rich historical heritage. Prepare to be amazed by Turkey's natural wonders. Did you know that Turkey is home to the surreal Pamukkale? This UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts terraces of gleaming white mineral-rich water, giving the appearance of a cascading frozen waterfall. These natural travertine terraces, formed over thousands of years, create a stunning visual spectacle. Not only does Pamukkale offer a picturesque landscape, but its thermal waters are also believed to have healing properties, making it a popular destination for relaxation and rejuvenation. And there you have it, folks. Turkey, a land of hidden treasures, ancient rituals, culinary delights, and breathtaking landscapes. We hope you've enjoyed uncovering these unknown facts about Turkey, and perhaps this virtual adventure will inspire you to explore this enchanting country in person one day.